Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at the XDeep K-style inflator. So this is a replaceable inflator. K-style in that it's the traditional K-style. It kind of looks a bit like a K. And yeah, this is made to be a replacement or a spare backup sort of inflator for your BCD. So traditional design in that K design, you've got the deflate on the end, inflate on the side, and then that oral inflation valve. This section here is sort of softer rubber for the mouthpiece. You can remove that if you so wish, but it does make it a lot more comfortable to orally inflate, and it makes sure that you get a better seal. So this has a standard sort of inflator. So with the standard like international DIN fitting, it should fit sort of most BCD hoses. The actual sort of size of the hose or the inlets, because there are a few different sizes on BCDs. So this is about 24 millimeters across. It's pretty much an inch. So double check when you're replacing it with your existing corrugated hose. They do have different calibers, so it's about an inch. You've got this little hole here. So this is if your BCD has a pull dump on it. On the inside of that corrugated hose, there's usually a stainless steel cable or a steel cable that runs through it. And then there'll be a little metal bar that sort of sits in the inflator and that hooks over it. So that's what that cut through is for. You also have a couple pretty small cable ties just to attach the sort of corrugated hose in position, and that's it. So yeah, nice inflator, pretty standard, no sort of frills, but it will do the job. Just double check the size of the corrugated hose on your BCD, but otherwise it should fit and definitely do the job. More information down on our website, simplyscuba.com. There'll be a link down in the description below so you can find it. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.